Struggling to create clean and professional tables in WordPress without coding? Messy website table transition to clean, modern table UI. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 WordPress table plugins that make your website look professional in minutes. Let's dive in. First up, we have tableberg. Tableberg is a modern table builder designed specifically for the WordPress block editor. It lets you create tables using blocks, just like building a page in Gutenberg. You can easily add text, images, buttons, and even ratings inside your tables. It's perfect for comparison tables, pricing tables, and product showcases. The best part? It's lightweight, fast, and beginner-friendly. Next, we have WP Table Builder. This plugin is known for its drag-and-drop interface, making it super easy to design tables visually. You can add elements like text, images, buttons, star ratings, and lists just by dragging them into place. It's ideal for affiliate marketers, bloggers, and anyone who wants to create conversion-focused tables without technical skills. Finally, we have wpdatatables. This is a powerful and advanced table plugin that can handle large amounts of data with ease. You can create tables from Excel, CSV, Google Sheets, or even databases. It also supports charts and data visualization. If you need professional-level tables for reports, analytics, or business websites, this is the best choice.
We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more updates, and thanks for watching.